Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Sir, I would like to come to a more important point. Budget after budget, and more particularly, this budget has been having a hit at the states. Before I go into what has been stated about the budget proposals and how they are affecting the states, I would like to take from the document itself. In the year 1997 to 98, among the taxes which the Government of India collected rupees 192 crores out of rupees 514 crores went to the states. In the current budget, just rupees 28 crores out of rupees 615 crores will go to the states. When it comes to the income tax, rupees 10 crores are charged net and the union government will have no share. On the other hand, according to the budget at a glance, there will be minus rupees 94 crores of the share of the states, which means they will have to shell down. This is one instance as to how there has been continuous shrinking of the share of the states in terms of the union finances. Then, sir, in the total expenditure outlay of rupees 73,000 crores, transfer to the state will account for about rupees 26,000 crores for 1998 to 1999 and amounts to 33%. In the previous year, out of rupees 66,100 crores, rupees 24,000 crores was the share of the states and it works out to 37%. Even from that point of view, there has been a shrinking of the share. When it comes to the question of the gross revenue and the state's share, it has come down to 40%, a fact which has been made clear in the recent National Development Council meeting also. Para, I have given three instances, but I do not want to go into the details which I have done last year. I could have done that also, but these documents themselves show how the resource crunch has affected the budget proposals of the finance minister. I will read three statements of a particular chief minister. He says that in the central budget proposals for the year 1999 to 2000, an additional revenue of rupees 100 crores from income tax could go only to the center. This is one statement made by one Chief Minister of a state of India.